Hi, Rose here. In today's video I will show you a quick guide on how to download and install OBS Studio in Windows 11. First, go to obsproject.com. You have three options here. You need to download the apps according to your operating system. Since my laptop operating system is Windows 11, I downloaded for Windows version. After clicking the download button, it will automatically download in your computer. Once done, you need to install the app. Right-click on it and choose Admin. Click Next until the end. Once the installation is done, you can now use the OBS Studio to record your screen or for your live streaming. Question of the day: what screen recording you are using to record your computer screen? Mine is the free Cam 8. If I had to record my laptop screen without showing my face in the screen, watch this video. I'll show you how to use free Cam 8 for screen recording. See you.